We we looked at the market the last time and discovered that the market was going down. So we've been following the market so far. The expectation is that the market is not going to go down forever. We already have a point where we're watching at. Look at our daily. On our daily, you can see this market structure going up. Give us a strong support. We had a week out below the support, but not a breakout. And then now we've gotten a breakout below the support. But we have another support here. And unfortunately, we have another target profit of 161.8 at this point. You can see it. 161.8 at this point. So for now, that is what we're looking at. You can see this is a structure. We had the market come this way, go up this way, trace back and up like this. So the market came and wicked here, but didn't close below the support. And then it went back up, and the market has come and has closed below this wick. But it's still above this support level. And then you also need to know again that from the calculation we did here using our Fibonacci, we got our target profit at this point. So we have a target profit here. So the expectation is that the market is likely to come to this point and reverse. But as you know, we're not going to wait on that. All we need to do is we need to just keep waiting for the market to give us a retracement back. So we've been following the market for a while now. The market's been coming down. Today being Thursday, you can see being Thursday today. Yesterday was Wednesday. We have Tuesday here. Then we have Monday. The market came down, and so we kept observing this resistance level for a breakout. No breakout occurred. The market came this way, retraced back, broke this level, giving us a new resistance here. So we had to wait for this. At this point, this is on 1 hour. That's why I marked this with a horizontal line. So if we have a breakout here, then we know it's a good buy. But this is on 1 hour. But we mark our structures, our support and resistance on 30 minutes. So you can see this is that for 1 hour. On 30 minutes, we have the support here, the resistance here, and the resistance here. And if you notice, these two resistance fall within 1 day. 4 of them fall within 1 day. So there's always a caveat here. So let's say for example we have a breakout above this support, this resistance, what would be our take? We're not going to be so certain about that. If it gives us a breakout here above this resistance and then retraces to maybe any fair value gap and then continues up, then we know that it has honored this. But if it gives us a breakout here and then it comes back and doesn't honor any fair value gap along this buying stretch, then we know that it's the next one that is going to honor. So we'll just have to wait for a breakout with the highest resistance, and then we'll see what it will do. We'll have a breakout here, we'll wait for it to pull back to a fair value gap that may be created while the market is moving up. Now, so basically this is just what we have analyzed and what we can see. So from the look of things, you can see we have pulled and then discovered these levels. Let me show you the levels so to make things easy. So we did our analysis accordingly, recognizing the structure the market was following while it was buying. We had this support here, which is the last support we have and we are using. So it is the breakout of that support in particular that has given us this final area to watch out for. So for now, if the market doesn't break out at this point, then we know that the market is likely to get to this point. So for that reason, what I did again was I came to my 15 minutes and I marked this, my 5 minutes rather. I marked the structure going up. So the market came from the low to the high, to the higher low, to the higher high, and then it gave us this support. And then within this box, it has given us a structure again. We have a low, we have a high, a low, high, a low, high, so giving us the support. Then I connected my trend line. So if I get the breakout below this point, then I know I'm selling all the way to this point. Okay, so if I get a breakout, I'm selling. This should give me like 1,500 or less. So for this are just the analysis so far. But invariably, what we're waiting for is a breakout. Except to get a breakout, no movement. Okay, but the bias of the market is that the market is likely to watch hit this bottom and then give us a breakout, or give us a breakout and continue. So now we just keep analyzing the market and waiting for the market to do what it does. Okay, I hope this helps.